I'm gonna show you how to use the Cash app by Square. It's pretty easy. You see there with the $, you hit that and you put your phone number in. And what's going to happen after you put your phone number in, they're going to send you a text message with a text number. Once you get that number, you enter it and hit next. Once you hit next, it takes you straight here. So you enter amount you want to send. So I'm going to do $5. I'm going to do a test send to my daughter. Okay, you can go here or you can enable your contacts. So I'm going to go ahead and enable my contacts because I don't have her in the list. Okay, once I enable my contacts, I can start typing her name, Michaela, and it'll pop up. So I enter her name, and I'm going to type in here for test. It's just a test run. Okay, it says done. It's that easy. So I'm going to actually do a payment right here. So I'm gonna log on. So since I'm already logged on, I don't need a passcode. So I'm gonna send $100. So we're gonna do a family reunion. I'm gonna hit pay. As you can see, I typed in that code there, and it shows me the person that I'm sending it to. So I'm gonna hit confirm. So I sent $100. I'm gonna hit done. And that's pretty much it. You can go to your history and see what you have paid. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Thank you.